What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you guys are doing well. Gala gain is 0.029, down up about 5% on the day. Market cap 922 million. 24-hour volume 102 million. So if we hop into the chart, we can see we came down to our support zone of 0.0279. We're seeing a little bit of reaction. And now we need a 5-way move off the low if we're really going to see a bullish turnaround. Bitcoin and Ethereum do look like they could be near pushing back to the upside. But as of right now, just ignore these wicks. It's just this particular chart on Binance that are giving you these basically these scam wicks. But if you look at it, I'll show it to you. See, the wicks aren't that bad. So right now you have 3 waves up off that low. There's your wave 1, wave 2 pullback. Here's your wave 3, pullback into 4, push up into 5. So if we complete that 5-wave move, we pull back and we start to bounce. That's when I'll look for my long trade, because it will give us confirmation that we're going to see a turnaround. But until then, you can just roll over. Once again, we have 3 waves up and you can come lower. But I do think we're near turnaround because we're very oversold on the higher time frames. So as you can see, we have this downsloping trend line of resistance, and we're pretty close to that. So that would, if we can break that level, coming in at about 0.02944, that would be a bullish signal. But I want to see that 5 waves up, hold that pullback, start to bounce. If we do that, then I'll look for a long position. But until then, I'm just going to let it play out and see what happens. As you can see on the daily chart, we're very oversold. Money flow, weekly chart. Yeah, we're back underneath those weekly EMAs. We're almost over at the bottom section on the money flow. RSI still has some room to go, but of course it's the weekly. I do think turnaround is near for Bitcoin and Ethereum, which will lead to Gala breaking out. But first we need to see that 5-wave move. Right now we have 3 waves. So until we complete that 5 waves, we pull back, we start to bounce, then we don't have any reason to be bullish. I want to see that impulse, get that pullback. If we see a nice bounce, then I'll look to take a long position and a break of that trend line. All right, gang, that's what I'm looking at for Gala. If you want completely free access to my VIP rooms, which include my daily crypto analysis, my exact crypto trade setups, Forex signals as well, then all you have to do is sign up to BITUNIX, no KYC, no VPN, all around the world, including North America. 10% back on every single trade. Hold on, I just have to plug in my laptop. On your fees, you get 10% back if you sign up through my link. Once you make your first deposit, it can be $10, $100, doesn't matter. Just send me an email, I'll give you completely free access to my VIP rooms, my daily crypto analysis, my exact crypto trade setups, as well as Forex signals. If you don't want to go that route, you can sign up through the Patreon, $10 a month. All links down below. Smash up that like button. See you in the next video. Much love. Take care.